Hello friends, welcome to Material Cost Problem Solutions. This question was asked in Saurashtra University examination in 2019. Friends, before we move further, pause this video and read entire question so that you can understand it easily. So hope friends you have gone through this question. Here we are required to find out reordering level, minimum, maximum and average level from the given information. Information given for a weekly maximum consumption, that is 150 units, weekly average consumption, that is 100 units. Here we can say that maximum and average consumptions for a week are available. So here minimum consumption we have to find out. After that, order time is given in weeks, that is 8 to 12. Here meaning of 8, that is the minimum time and 12 means maximum time. So here also we have to calculate average time. And last, EOQ, economic ordering quantity, is available, that is 400 units. So let's friends solve this question. First of all, we will start the calculation with minimum consumption, and for that purpose we will put the formula of average consumption, that is maximum plus minimum consumption divided by 2. Now if we put value in this formula, we already have average consumption and maximum consumption 150 units divided by 2. We are required to calculate this minimum consumption. For that purpose, this 2 will go left side and will multiply with 100 units. So equation will be like this: 200 is equal to 150 plus minimum consumption. Here we want to calculate the value of minimum consumption. So we will deduct 150 from 200. So finally the minimum consumption will be 50 units. After that friends, will calculate average order time. It's very easy to calculate. Maximum plus minimum time divided by 2. Here maximum time is 12 weeks, minimum time is 8 weeks, divided by 2. So by simplifying this, we will get the average time, that is 10 weeks. After that, we will start with the main answer, in which the first point is calculation of reordering level. Formula is maximum consumption into maximum time. So here maximum consumption is 150 units, maximum time is 12 weeks. So by multiplying these two, we will get our reordering level, that is 1800 units. After that, we will calculate minimum level. The formula for minimum level is ordering level minus average consumption for average time. If we put the values in this formula, ordering level we have calculated just now 1800 units, average time is 10 weeks that we have calculated, and average consumption is given in the question, that is 100 units. If we simplify this, we will get the answer for minimum level, that is 800 units. After that, we will calculate maximum level, and formula for that is ordering level minus minimum consumption for minimum time plus economic ordering quantity. Ordering level we have calculated, that is 1800 units, minimum time is 8 weeks, minimum consumption is calculated 50 units, and EOQ is given in the question 400 units. Now if we simplify this, we will get the answer of maximum level, that is 1800 units. Now finally we will calculate average level. The formula to calculate average level is minimum level plus 1/2 of EOQ. If we put the values, minimum level is 800 units plus 1/2 of 400 units of EOQ. By simplifying this, we will get the answer, final answer, that is 1000 units for average level.